is a course tour through Blackboard of Composition 2, Section 801. You will notice that you begin the class by coming to the assignments page. This is our launching point for the course because it's my belief that you only care about what is due and what you need to know. So that's where we will be. You'll see that everything is organized by weeks once we get below these first three major folders. Everything is here that we need, but I do want you to start at the start here. Hopefully that's how you got to this video. So there's the welcome video, there'll be the course tour, and then a link to the syllabus. You'll also see a link to office hours. Hopefully if you just click this, not click it, or click down here, you'll be able to go right to my office hours. I am conducting office hours for my Composition 1 and Composition 2 classes at the same time, so you'll see lots of people if you decide to come and visit me. I hope you do, though. You can click on this link if this doesn't work. We'll have descriptions of every major writing assignment. You could also submit them through here because there will be links to each assignment in the folder. The assignments will be covered in my syllabus description, but I'll probably also have a video discussing, I will have a video discussing the project as well. After that, we go into our weekly folders. You'll see that weeks 1 and 2 are ready, and then down here it says assignment folders below this notice are not up to date. That is because I do a course copy for my previous semester and just move everything in. That way everything is all set up. But I do have to do some fiddling with the discussion board and redo a lot of assignments. I don't know if it actually saves me any time. Sometimes I do change things around a lot, and it just takes some time to make sure that everything is connected into the grade book and scheduled. So right now, weeks 1 and 2 are ready. I should hope to have weeks 3 and 4 ready by mid next week. I don't really want you working ahead just because a lot of the assignments we're doing build into each other, and you'll get feedback on those assignments, and then that feedback is important to making sure that next step is done well, right? And that's what we want to do, is do a good job. When you go into week 1, you will see right here it has the assignments. This date is wrong. I'm very sorry about that. That will be fixed hopefully by the time you get to this video. But it does have the assignments that we're doing, discussion boards, and then any writing that's going to be due. It should be fairly simple. There's also a list of tasks, which are to watch the course introduction video, read the syllabus, and watch the syllabus video review, which is this. No, we already did that. I'm sorry. This is the introduction video. I don't know where I am. Complete discussion 1, Q&A, watch a short overview of writing lesson, complete discussion 2, read claims, all that sort of stuff. So all this will be there. I usually put together a week 1 overview, which is this right here. I'm going to move that up right away. So you can see that. It'll take you through what we're doing this week. It talks about all these things, but first discussion board is just to get you started. I'm sorry if I'm repeating this information from week 1 overview, but that's all right. So Q&A just helps me get to know you. It's 3 parts. Answer some questions, talk about the course, and then you need to send me an email. And that's an important thing because that's my only way to contact you is through email. Then I have some lessons and some readings. Everything that you need to do is in the week folder, whether it's a lesson, a video link, whether it is a link to the textbook or a link to other lessons or the discussion board. That way you don't have to go anywhere else, and I hope that is something that is good for you, and I hope other people are doing that for your classes as well because it makes things in life easier. So please follow those links. So you'll see that for every single week. Otherwise, we have our toolbar. You might have had me in Comp 1, and you'll see have seen the panic button. Panic button is a kind of a guide to school and life. What happens if you need to contact me for some reason? We'll go to communication first and look at it. You have a general question, you have a question about your grades, right? There's a way to phrase things that aren't going to turn people off from helping you right away. And so let's do that. And then if you missed an assignment, what do you do? Things like that. there's a link to the syllabus. It's available in PDF and DocX. I will try to have it in alternative formats. There'll also be a video right here for the syllabus overview. We have the course schedule, which shows you everything that is going on. This is your schedule at a glance. It's in the syllabus as well, but it's 4 columns, which is the date, what we're doing for this week, so week 1, the reading assignments, and the video lessons. That's right here, what discussion boards we're doing, and what writing is due. So this is good to give you kind of your schedule at a glance to figure out, okay, well, how much writing is due? When is this big paper due? So those questions are answered for you. So you can see it kind of gets really congested over here on this right-hand column for the papers that are due, but it does lighten up on the reading. That's because we're really focusing a lot on this paper. And you'll see there's sections that are due every week. So that'll help you schedule. I'm sorry, it's a little hard to read, but I don't know any other way I can really do this. We also have our assignments folder, which is the landing page. Discussion board, if you need to get back to a discussion, you can go right here. If you want to peek ahead, you can. I don't know why you would, but you can do that. Not all of these are linked to the gradebook yet. I'll be breaking you into groups. We'll have groups in here. You'll be able to get to your group easily. Next section is our materials. We have our textbook. So this takes you to our textbook. If the link doesn't work in the assignment folder, any additional readings, if you want to look through there, there's a whole lot of readings, a lot of links to things that are just interesting, I think, but you can go through that if you want. Then we have our critical thinking handbook. I'm sorry, my phone's ringing and it's connected to my computer. Critical thinking handbook, which is useful. There's some links, good readings in here. This is all just a PDF. Then our little seagull handbook. Next, we have office hours. This takes you to the Zoom link. If you want to email me, you click on this and you can email me just by clicking instructors. And there you are. You sent that message just fine. You can also email your group or other student users. I do ask that you keep all your conversations related to the class. Do not send letters, I'm old, messages to other students that can be considered harassment or solicitations for things. You got your pyramid scheme going. Please don't make us your target. And if you are receiving those types of unwanted messages, please let me know so we can take care of that. Then there's grades. As things get entered, you click on this, you can keep track of your grades in the grade book. And that is everything that is in this course. I hope this is useful. You can refer back to this if you need or send me a message. So thank you very much.